Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today, I am going to talk about one of the very interesting planet of solar system, which denotes love, sex, and dhokha, which denotes luxurious life. Love, if strong, you will get wonderful life partner. If not well strong, if not placed well, or if placed in Cancer sign, Leo sign, Virgo sign, Sagittarius sign, then you will definitely, get a very worst life partner, or you can say your marital life will be matter of concern, because Venus play a big role on this earth. Your cash in hand is Venus, your luxurious life is Venus, your relationship with your spouse is Venus. Venus play a big role on this Kali Yuga especially. So today I am going to talk about Venus transit in Cancer sign from 22nd of June 2021 to 17th of July 2021. My all prediction are based on your ascendant sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to Venus transit in Cancer sign. So let's talk about Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, your second house lord, your seventh house lord transit in your fourth house. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. Relationship with your mother will be matter of concern. This whole time from 22nd of June to 17th of July, you will be a part of any arguments. Your family atmosphere is not very promising because Venus is Markish here. You are getting very confused and disturbed. Due to some reason, your mother health will be matter of concern. Be careful about your mother health. Be careful about talking with your elders at home, especially with your mother. This whole time you may buy a new car, you may buy a new property, but you need to be careful while spending your money. Don't spend over without any reason. So overall this transit will create some personal issues as your home as well as health of your mother will be matter of concern. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, your ascendant lord transit in your third house, which is very strong position. Aspecting is on your ninth house. Your Lagan lord, your ascendant lord transit in third house, aspecting is on your ninth house, which is very productive time for you. Your confidence level will be sky high. You feel much relaxed and comfort. Your all pending work will click. You will get new opportunity to investing your money. This whole time you will get wonderful result from your old investment. This whole time you will be sky high and top. Taurus, your all pending work will click and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Due to your hard work, due to your strong passion, you will get fantastic results. This whole time brings lot of happiness, peace of mind, cash, money. If you're a businessman, if you're an importer, exporter, you will definitely get some business from far away place or foreign land. This whole time brings lot of happiness, lot of gains, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your younger siblings will support you, or you may support to your younger siblings. You will get good news through communication. You will get good order through communication or phone call. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Venus transit. Venus is a beneficiary planet. Your fifth house lord transit in your second house. You will blessed with a lot of cash from stock market. If you're already investing your money, you will blessed with a bundles of amount. You will get with the gains. You will blessed with a lot of family tie-ups. Your family will support you. Venus is very comfortable in your second house. Your family will support you. Your eating habits will rise. Your way of talking will very impressive, and people get impressed from your way of talking. The way you talk, people get impressed easily because your Venus transit in your second house. Monetary gains are there, family tie-ups are there. This whole time brings lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, achievements, fame. So now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Venus transit in your Lagan, in your first house. You become very smart or very cute. You are buying some branded clothes. You are spending your money on yourself. And you may go to some salon this whole time, or you may shine like a sun. You're looking very beautiful and pretty, and you will get a new offers about your business and business partnership. Some gains are knock you from 22nd of June to 17th of July. Some unexpected gains will knock you. This whole time brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, achievements, fame, prosperity. You need to perform your best. Cancer, the more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results, because Venus play a good role in your birth chart, and this whole time you will get a lot of opportunity. If you are unmarried, you may get married because Venus 7th aspect is on your 7th house. You may meet your companion, or your love life will be excellent. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders, your Venus transit in your 12th house. Relationship with your spouse will be wonderful. You may spend some quality time with your spouse or your loved one. You may get some gift from your spouse or loved one. This whole time some unexpected expenditures will knock you, which will irritate you, but overall this transit will give you pleasure, luxurious life. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your all pending work will click. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, and you will enjoy a lot of marital life. You will enjoy a lot of sexual life as well. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant Venus transit in your 11th house, which is a house of dreams and desires, and Venus is very ruling planet for you. So being a your good house lord, Venus transit in your 11th house, your dreams and desires will be fulfilled. Elder siblings will support you. You will get contacts from higher authority, and higher authority will support you. Or if you are willing to buy any loan, if you are apply any loan, your loan will be granted. Cash flow will make you happy. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You may plan to some foreign visit related to your business or job, and that will be a very fruitful in near future. 22nd of June to 17th of July, Virgo, you will be top and sky high. You are feeling much relaxed, better, comfort, and you will enjoy a lot of good gains from higher authority. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant Venus transit in your 10th house, in your Karma Bhav. Venus transit in your 10th house, your profession will grow. You may get promoted, you may get increment, and if you are willing to switch off your job, then 22nd of June to 17th of July is a very productive time, because your ascendant Lord transit in your 10th house. You will get name, fame, prosperity. Health of your father will be ultimate. Relationship of your father will be ultimate. This whole time, Libra, you will be top and sky high. When your salary will rise, you will enjoy very good time at your workplace. Your family, your friends will support you. You will get name, fame, authority. You will get good support from authority, and the source of earning will develop. I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant. Being a lord of your second house and 12th house, Venus transit in your 9th house, you will blessed with some foreign transactions. You're feeling much relaxed and better. Good fortune is in your favor. Unmarried people may get companion, and unmarried people may get married this whole time. Venus transit in your 9th house. You become very spiritual, you become very religious, but woman luck are there. Due to some woman luck, you will get some gains. That may be your mother, that may be your sister, that may be your spouse, but due to some woman luck, you will get some gains. Some unexpected money will knock you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a wonderful time with your loved one, with your spouse. This whole time from 22nd of June to 17th of July, you will be sky high top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, good health, and good fortune is in your favor. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant Venus transit in your Ashtam Bhav. Need to be careful about your spouse health. Venus transit in your Ashtam 8th house, which is not very productive house. Need to be careful about your tie-up with your spouse or your business associates. This whole time, Venus create a Vaprit Rajyog. You will blessed with the gains. You will blessed with another source of earning. You will get money from as a commission, as a brokerage. But overall, you need to be careful about your spouse health. But financially, you will be top and sky high, Sagittarius. This whole time brings a lot of happiness, success, gains, achievements. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendant. Capricorn, this whole time, Venus transit in your Saptam Bhav. Relationship with your spouse will be ultimate. You will spend very good time with your spouse. Your daily income will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your sexual life will improve. You will get a lot of, bonding, lot of good tie-up with your spouse or your loved one. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Your profession will be sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, cash flow will make you happy. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendant Venus transit in your 6th house. You need to be careful about your spouse health. You need to be careful about your debts, but your debts will be clear. Your old debts will be clear, or you may take some new loan from government side. Overall, unemployed guys may get job. There is no doubt. Venus transit in your 6th house. If you're a businessman related to dress material, cosmetic business, or related to any kind of ladies dress material business, you will definitely blessed with a good profit. Overall, you need to be careful about your health. This whole time from 22nd of June to 17th of July, your health will be matter of concern. Stomach problem, backbone related trouble, or eyesight related trouble will irritate you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendant. Venus transit in your Pancham Bhav, in your 5th house. You will be blessed with a lot of gains from stock market. Unexpected money will knock you. Your loved life will be excellent. Your spouse will support you. Your loved one will support you. The more you give respect to your opposite gender, the more you get fantastic results. Pisces, you need to perform your best. This whole time brings lot of peace of mind, happiness. Good gains are there. You need to perform your best, put your effort, dream big, think big. You will definitely achieve lot of goal. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.